This integral proofer room covers an area of 30 square meters. The chamber is constructed with 100 mm thick polyurethane insulation panels, with 304 stainless steel sheets on both inner and outer sides. It features outstanding heat preservation and rust resistance, fully complying with sanitary standards for food processing workshops. Equipped with 3 sets of stainless steel visual swing doors, it allows smooth entry and exit of dough trolleys. Built-in observation windows enable real-time monitoring of dough proofing status. The internal temperature can be adjusted up to 50 C, with humidity ranging from 30% to 90%, suitable for proofing all kinds of pastries including bread, toast, steamed buns, and more. It is fitted with a ventilation system consisting of 4 circulating air ducts, which ensures even circulation of temperature and humidity without dead zones inside the room for consistent dough fermentation. The evenly arranged air ducts deliver full hot air coverage across the whole chamber, boosting fermentation efficiency while cutting energy consumption. Customized design services are available, specially developed for mass production in bakeries and trolley-style continuous proofing applications. The machine boasts stable operation, long service life, and low failure rate. It is an ideal supporting proofing equipment for bakery production lines. Overseas buyers are welcome to contact us via private message for cooperation.